Mr. Chairman of the Commission, the crew is reporting for the complex exams in the Russian segment. Well, thanks a lot. Thank you. Over here. Just closer to the table, please. The crew is ready. I think we will show everybody that we are completely ready during our complex exams. I'm happy to work with my crew. They're my kind of people. Our crew is very calm and very competent.
The way that the Russian space agency is trading their astronauts for 5 decades now, and to be a part of that and be part of this international partnership for the last 2 decades, it's just it's been a tremendous honor. We've really enjoyed the training, and they've prepared us well to fly.
Well, for me, I have to say that being the second time, I have been able to really enjoy the training, because I felt as if this time I could really take a step back and just focus on what I know is important for the flight. Take the time to really absorb the atmosphere, to really absorb the training, to communicate with the instructors, and also give back some of my experience to them. So it's been more of an exchange rather than me absorbing everything, and it's been an incredible experience. And being able to share it with Drew on his first flight has been really a lot of fun. Drew's probably used to it. Every time I do any kind of briefing, I say, or any kind of exams, let's take 5 seconds to make sure that we are having fun. We should be having fun. If we're not, there are a lot of people that will be having fun doing this, so we should be having some fun.
Over here at first, please. Just like this. Zoom in closer. Go up here. Mr. Chairman of the Exam Commission, the crew is reporting for the exams. You ready? Yes. Go ahead. Follow me. Just like this. And click louder, please. Alexander Alexandrovich, about yesterday's exam. Well, we had a good start yesterday, actually an excellent start, because we got excellent marks for the ISS exam. And we did so many tests already and so much training that they've become a habit. So the main thing is to be calm and be confident. Yesterday, I saw you all doing very well. Well, we know that today they have their exam ticket already. It's a lottery. The questions can repeat, but we are ready, and we will try not to make any mistakes. I think we will just have nominal work as usually.
One for Luca. Drew, you're a first-time space flyer. Describe what it's been like training with your colleagues as you prepare for your very first flight to space.
Well, I've always said that the most important thing in spaceflight is being part of a team, the thing that I've enjoyed the most. And I'm lucky enough to be part of a team that is stronger together than we are as individuals. So that has been the most rewarding part. That's the thing that will be most memorable to me, and that's the thing that I want all of us to remember.
Luca, you and Alexander are both experienced space flyers. You've flown on multiple vehicles. Tell us, what has it been like this particular training mission as you plan to go back to the International Space Station and train here in Star City?
So I will focus a little bit on the training that I've received for the Soyuz. I have to say, I love this spacecraft. I really do. Just like any pilot loves this airplane, I've fallen in love with this spacecraft, and going through the training for the second time, I have enjoyed it so much more, being able to focus on what I know is important and being able to absorb so much more than the first time, not only because I already know the machine, but also because my Russian has improved through the years. And so I feel that I know the spacecraft, and that I feel so confident about all the features that it offers. And so I'm looking forward to this flight as much as I was to the first time.
Yes.
in italiano? Italiansky. Allora, Luca, per la prima volta un astronauta italiano sarà comandante della Stazione Spaziale Internazionale. Cosa significa questo per te e nei fatti?
Per me è sicuramente una dimostrazione che nel passato sono riuscito a dare la confidenza al programma della Stazione Spaziale Internazionale, che il programma astronautico europeo ha lo stesso valore dei programmi russi e americani, per cui dare in mano la gestione di una missione a un astronauta europeo, italiano nel mio caso, è ormai una prassi consolidata. E per quanto riguarda l'Italia, credo che sia il risultato di un sistema che quando vuole dà dei prodotti di valore. Chiaramente non mi riferisco soltanto a me stesso, ma ai miei colleghi, a chi lavora nel mondo dello spazio, a chi lavora nel mondo dell'aerospazio. Chi lavora all'estero come me sa che nonostante i problemi esistenti all'interno del paese, quando poi un sistema si mette dietro un individuo, una persona, per sostenerlo, i risultati possono essere davvero elevati.
It was wonderful to hear such mellifluous Italian language. And question to Alexander. When was it the most worrying for you to go through exams? It's always a worry to go through them. But before I was an astronaut in the Cosmonaut Corps, I went through more than 50 exams, and I'm preparing for the third time to go to the station. And of course, I am worried, but not too much. I'm in a fighting spirit, and I'm hoping to do everything correctly so that our teachers, our instructors know that we are qualified. Good words. Your instructors will be glad to hear that. And let us do another photographs with the handshake. Need some water, please. That's good. Thank you. Yes, just like this. Red zone here. As usual, logistics. Mr. Chairman of the exam panel, the crew is ready for the exam.
Сереж, слышно?
Да?
Да, все отлично.
Can you hear us?
Просто немножко прям чуть-чуть.
Yes, some questions now.
Сергей.
Sergey,
Начинается этап комплексных экзаменационных тренировок.
you are starting the complex exams, and you have a representative of JAXA and Roscosmos and NASA. Was it difficult to find
Очень.
a common language?
Прошедшие тренировки. Не только
I've been enjoying our training, not only because I have experienced
отлично подготовлены, но и
comrades,
хорошие товарищи.
but also because they are good people, good friends.
Достаточно быстро нашли
We
взаимопонимание.
found a common language very easily and quickly, and we understand one another without words by now. We are ready for the work that is in front of us.
Был уже опыт космического полета. У Саичи уже был опыт космического
Soichi already had some flight experience as well as you.
полета.
Did it help you with the exams?
Наверное, у вас опыт. Вот вам пригодилось это?
Потом также
And your third crew member,
на Союзе.
of course, he could rely on you, on your experience. Yes, indeed,
Но,
we are sharing what we know
конечно, он помогает, но при условии, если им грамотно пользоваться.
and helping one another.
Наоборот, попытаться улучшить свой профессиональный уровень.
We're always trying to learn more and more to be more professional.
Tell us, how has your training gone so far here at Star City? Do you feel ready? Any reflections?
Английский?
Да, по-английски.
Да, да. It's been excellent. It's been accelerated about 13 months. But the work, the instructors are very excellent. They are passionate about ensuring the safety of the crew and make sure we need to know everything we need to know. And have a very experienced crew that I'm flying with. Soichi was in the left seat and now on the right. So it's been a fantastic training experience, and I feel like we're ready.
И Саичи вопрос. Саичи говорит прекрасно по-русски, да?
And a question to Soichi. You speak Russian very well, don't you? Not really.
По-английскому общаетесь?
So you would like to speak English? And how do you talk with one another? We're trying to learn Japanese, and Soichi is learning Russian. So we're quite successful in our communication.
Экипаж настолько получается опытным, что я не знаю.
It looks like the crew is very experienced. So we wish you good luck
Вопросы еще у нас будут?
with your exams.
Да, пожалуйста.
Any more questions to the crew? You have a lot of work ahead of you. And what has been the most interesting for you?
В их давнем устремлении.
And what are you looking forward most to?
Конечно, повысить свой
Well, we are
готовность для своих уже.
trying to be as supportive as we can of the prime crew and
Спасибо.
dreaming of getting to the space station. Thank you. And now, photograph.